Okay, you guys, so I had a failed attempt at dyeing this hair with developer and the hair color, but I'm going back in with some bleach and I'm just going to, do it the old-fashioned way. I tried to do something new and it didn't really work. I mean, it kind of colored the hair, but not really. So I'm just going to take a couple scoops of the bleach and pour some developer in there, mix it all around. You don't want it to be too thick or too runny. Excuse my kids in the background. But just mix that until you get a good consistency and apply it to your wig. So I'm just brushing through all the bleach and developer just to get it through, all the hair strands. Let's take a look. Ooh. I don't even know how I got this color. I really don't. But hey, we're gonna go with it, okay? I'm about to wash this out with the, not the shampoo because I'm just gonna use conditioner since it's been through a lot of, bleaching and all that other stuff. So I'm just gonna rinse it out in warm water till it runs clear and then let it sit in conditioner for about 15 to 20 minutes. So guys, here's the wig. It's been sitting in conditioner. I'm about to rinse it out in some cold water and let it air dry, and then I will be back when I install. So here's the wig. It was kind of blotchy in some areas, but that's okay. Please excuse my kids. And you just want to put the color in the water and just stir it around until there's no more particles. And then you're going to dip your wig in. So now I'm going to rinse this wig out in some warm water. I'm not going to shampoo this hair. I'm just going to put some conditioner on it and let that sit for about 15 to 20 minutes.